Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by checking compatibility and enabling floating mode. Confirm your device model and OS version so you know which settings exist. Open the keyboard app settings, locate floating or undocked mode, and turn it on. If the option is missing, force stop and reopen the keyboard app, then try again. Once done, grant any permissions requested so the keyboard can appear above other apps. Make sure to test in a simple app like Notes to verify the mode is active before continuing. Now you refine placement and control so the keyboard behaves predictably. Tap and hold the drag handle to move the keyboard. Position it near where your thumbs naturally rest. Use pinch gestures or the resize handle to adjust width and height because a correct size prevents accidental detachment. If the keyboard offers snap to grid, enable it to lock position. This reduces floating drift. Once positioned, use the provided gesture tutorial or practice typing to confirm the gestures and resizing feel natural and repeatable. Finish by saving the layout and verifying the floating keyboard across several apps. Some apps force full screen input and can hide floating keyboards. If the keyboard jumps, clear app cache, update the keyboard app, or reinstall it to restore default settings. Make sure no screen overlay or accessibility tool is intercepting touch events. Disable overlays briefly to test. If problems persist, reset keyboard preferences or switch to an alternative keyboard app temporarily. One key troubleshooting tip: check other apps with overlay permission and turn them off to isolate conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.